One sunny afternoon here in our village. What a wonderful day. And how are you, Brittany Cheryl? Are you okay in there? Stay put, okay? See you later tonight or midnight. Bye for now. Hold on. Hold on. Oh gosh. And there I am. Hi there, guys and girls. Good afternoon. How are you all doing? I'm on my way now, going to my day-to-day stints in Santa Lucia and in Cubao. But before that, just wanna thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my Facebook viewers as well. To all my new followers. And, hold on, before I forgot, to all my 13 lovely countries. Hold on. How should I? Okay, now I know. Of course, on the number one spot, Philippines, United States, Japan, Indonesia, Canada, Myanmar, Malaysia, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, India, United Arab Emirates, Italy, and Thailand. Hi. And you know what, guys and girls, I forgot to greet you just this November 15. It's our 37th monthsary on our YouTube channel. Congratulations once again, and I hope you keep on watching. For those who are not watching, come on guys, you already helped me, you subscribe me, so why not continue your support on me, okay? I'm not forcing you, but I'm telling you, please, okay? Thank you so much. Hold on. So tiring. What should I gonna say? I couldn't really believe we're on our 37th monthsary, but I'll just keep on going, okay? And thank you once again. Keep on liking it, sharing it, embrace it, feel it, love it, okay? So once again, happy 37th monthsary. I'm still kind of busy nowadays. That's why I wasn't able to greet you on time. So there, guys, check it out. The landscape, the trees, the forest. See that? Wonderful day. Bye for now. Thank you so much.